How to enter director mode in GTA 5 story mode. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now to go ahead and do this, you have to be in story mode. And since the mansions update, the menu locations have stayed consistent, but director mode and Rockstar Editor were officially removed from the PS4 and Xbox One. So if you're on PC, PS5 and Xbox Series X or S, this is how you get in. So what you want to do is just firstly stop everything. No matter what character you are, whether you're driving or anything like that, just stop and stand still. And then what you're going to do is open up your menu. So if you're on PC, go ahead and press M. And if you're on PS5, go ahead and press and hold the touchpad. If you're on Xbox S, X, or S, press and hold the view button. And then what you're going to do is scroll down to the bottom to director mode. This is going to say record yourself playing as a variety of characters from around San Andreas. So go ahead and press that, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to launch director mode? Then just go ahead and press X and then press it again. And if the interaction menu is acting up, you can use your in-game smartphone. So bring up your phone, go to contacts, and then find the contact named acting up, then call it to be prompted into director mode. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it.